Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the JoyfulDesignz brand, here to bring you another DIY. If DIYs on a budget is your thing, then please make sure you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you each and every time that I upload a video. And if there's nothing else, it's time to craft. Let's go. And let's go. So you're going to need a 5x7 picture frame. I actually purchased this picture frame from Guardian Angel thrift store for 50% off. So I paid like 40 something cent for it. And then I have these prayer cards that I purchased from Dollar Tree. These cards can be found at the front registers. Usually they keep them inside of a basket at where the bags be at. So look at your Dollar Tree at the front registers for these cards. These cards are prayer cards, inspirational prayer and scripture cards for yourself and others. It comes 20 to a pack. It is by the company Crown Jewels, and it is a women-owned or woman-owned business. I actually have 4 packs of these cards. And what you can see is me showing you some of the cards and what they're saying. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read each one of them. Some of them have my favorite scriptures. And I like keeping these cards at work to keep me encouraged, to keep me from wanting to go off on someone, because you know people will try you. I always tell people I'm human, I'm not divine, and this allows me to stay focused. I also have these cards in little small spots or places in my home, on little tables. And yeah, it makes for great home decor. You can actually take these cards and make a whole wall design using them. Again, you get 20 cards in a pack. And it is a women-owned business. And again, I am just showing you the different cards. Now you can choose to paint your picture frame, or you can do like I did and just leave it as is. Again, I will be uploading a Guardian Angel thrift store haul soon, to which I did purchase this particular picture frame. Again, the day that I went, all glassware and I think glassware and picture frames were 50% off, or art picture frames and glassware were all 50% off. And I purchased a lot of different things because, again, some of the items I purchased I will be doing DIYs with, especially with the holidays coming up. I want to create some affordable gift ideas, or create some affordable gift ideas for people who may want to sell them or give them away at Christmas as Christmas gifts. So when you see this, make sure you don't sleep on your local thrift stores, because you can find some really good jewels in there and create some beautiful home decor. Again, instead of always purchasing your candles and your candlesticks, your glassware, Instead of always purchasing those brand new from the Dollar Tree, check out your local thrift store because you can get them for 69 cents sometimes and even cheaper. So don't sleep on your thrift stores. And again, I just didn't want to keep going through all of them for the sake of time. And so I picked out a card to put inside my frame. And I think this is perfect for the DIY community and for all of my joyful subbies and everyone that is on my page or my channel. And as you can see, I just removed the glass and put the card on the inside, and now I have the back on it. And there you have it. And my card read, encourage one another and build each other up, just in fact you are doing. 1 Thessalonians 5:11. And look at that, guys. Isn't it just simple? If you like simple and inexpensive DIYs, then look no further than JoyfulDesignz. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a video. Until the next DIY, guys. Bye.